What's the meaning of bookmaking? Bookmaking. Bookmaking.
Bookmaking. Bookmaking. Bookmaking refers to the activity of taking bets and setting odds on various events, such as sports matches or political elections. The goal of bookmaking is to ensure that the amount of money bet on each outcome is balanced, so that the bookmaker makes a profit regardless of the outcome. Bookmakers use complex algorithms and statistical analysis to set their odds, and often adjust them in real time based on the amount of money bet on each outcome. By balancing their books in this way, bookmakers are able to make money regardless of the outcome of the event, making bookmaking a lucrative business.